In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write subscript and superscript in Outlook. So let's dive right in and get started on mastering this simple yet sometimes elusive feature. First things first, you need to open Microsoft Outlook. Go ahead and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website on your preferred web browser. If you're not already signed in, you will see a sign in option located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to have those ready so you can seamlessly sign in and access your account. Now that you are signed in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Outlook. Look toward the top left corner and you'll see a button labeled New Mail. Give that a click to start composing a new email. A fresh email window will open up and you can start typing your message in the body of the email. With your email content ready, you'll notice a toolbar across the top of the message window. This is where you can format your text. Spot the three dots, typically located towards the end of the toolbar. These three dots indicate more available options. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should see the option labeled Subscript. Select it and whatever text you type next will appear in Subscript, a great feature for scientific formulas, footnotes, or special formatting needs. Once you've applied Subscript where necessary, you can click those three dots on the toolbar again to access more formatting options. This time look for and click Superscript. This feature raises the text slightly above the baseline, which is perfect when you want to include squared numbers, mathematical powers, or ordinals in your email. To summarize, you now know how to enhance the appearance of your email by adding both subscript and superscript. These simple formatting adjustments can make a significant difference, especially when you're communicating detailed information that benefits from these enhancements. You can play around with these features to enhance the precision and clarity of your email messages. This skill is an excellent addition to your digital communication toolbox. Feel free to experiment and see where these features can best be utilized in your correspondence. You might find they improve not only the aesthetics of your emails, but also their effectiveness in conveying complex information. And there you have it. We've walked through all the steps needed to write subscript and superscript in Outlook. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you navigate these features, the more intuitive they will become. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.